Okay, so this video is going to be about the mean. Okay, so the mean is if you had different values and you wanted to get the exact same value on all of them, you would have to divide it. All right, so for example, the value of this stack of money is 0. The value of this is 25. So this is 50. It's going up by 25, 75, and 100. So each one of those, the value is 100. Think of it as stacks of pennies. So that stack is value 0, 25. That value of that stack is 50. The value of that stack is 75, and the value of that stack is 100. How can we make them the same? Each stack would have the exact same value. For example, this has a 0 value. This is 25. Can we get them the exact same value? All right, so the way to do this is to get the mean. All right, that means we got to get each one of those the exactly the same value. All right, so let's add all those values. So we got 100, 75, 50, 25, and the last is 0. That has no value. If we add all those together, it's going to be what's the value of each one of those stacks? So if we add them all together, this is a 100. So 25 plus 75 that's going to be equal to another 100. So the value of that is 100. And so that's 200. And plus 50 is 250. So if you add all those together, it's 250. All right, so there's 5 stacks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we divide 250 pennies, or the value is 250, divided by 5 stacks, each stack should be, let's see, 5 times 5 is 25. The difference is 0. 5 times 0 would give me 0. That's what I want. So this says if I make each stack of the value of 50, each one of those would have the exact same value. All right, so let's try that. So this stack is a value of 100. If I move 2 of those quarters, or if I move 50, now that value is going to have 50, and this value is going to have 50. All right, so that has 50, and this has 50, that has 50. So I want each one of those to be 50. This has 75, so I got to make that the value that to be 50. All right, so if I remove one, let's move this way even. All right, so now this value has 50, and this is 50. So the mean is 50. So that means every single one of those has a value of 50. So the mean is 50. Let's see. And that's every single one of those has going to have a value of 50. So that's 50 plus 50. That's another 50. Each one of those has a value of 50. So we call that the mean. So the mean is 50. So the average is 50. All right, that's how we get the average. Every single one of those values is now the same.